Hello guys, welcome to a new video provided by the AppSeed support. My name is Adrian, aka Smoke on different platforms. So in this short video I will present the latest dashboard generated by the AppSeed platform. It's about the light blue design provided by FlatLogic and prototype in Flask. The product is free. You can access it and use it without an account, as many other products provided by our service. So in this short video I will grab the sources and build the product. Just go from product page to the GitHub sources. We have here a summary of features. The application provides a double database layer. You can build the application using SQLite in development mode, and for production you can configure easily the PostgreSQL database layer. So let's follow the instructions and build the application from sources. I'm using here Windows operating system, but the UI kits are tested also on Mac OS and Unix. Let's grab the sources first. We need a virtual environment this step is optional to use a virtual environment, but it's recommended because using a virtual environment for the new programmers, your application will run in a sandboxed environment. So all the dependencies that you will install in your system will be isolated. So this is the recommended way when you try to build a Python application. Now the virtual environment is built. After that we need to activate it. Will take a few seconds. The application is coded with authentication, session-based authentication. You can register new users. You can log in using a registered user. All the application, all the flat HTML is already processed to be used as a Jinja 2 template system. Let's activate the environment, and the next step is to install the dependencies. The dependencies are split into, so for the development mode, when the SQLite database is used, we recommend to use this file. For production, you need to use this file because the dependencies are different. Now all the stuff is installed inside a virtual environment. Take a little bit. After the requirements are installed, we need to set up at least one environment variable, which is Flask app. And if you want to activate the debugger, you need to set up the Flask environment variable. We will use them both. Okay, so now we can run the application just by typing Flask run command. Also, optionally, we can specify the port. Let's put this one. Flask will start application, and we can access the application on localhost. This is from my previous test. So the application is detects that the user is not authenticated, and if you try to access a restricted page, you will be redirected to login. Also, the database is built on the fly, so you don't have to run any other supplementary command. The application detects that the database is not created and create one. An empty one, of course. Let's try to log in. Of course, the application will warn us that we don't type the user credentials. Let's use a test user. So the user is not created. Let's register a new user. Let's say test as AppSeed.us and a simple password. Okay, the user is created now. We can log in. Okay, so the application has a beautiful UI from my point of view. You have a few pages to play with: tables, typography, notification here, which is quite nice. Charts, you have plenty of samples here, you can play with them. Maps, also if you log out from the application and try to access the root, you'll be redirected to the login. Let's try to use an unregistered user, hacker pass. So wrong user password. So let's try to use the same user with the wrong password. We should get the same message. Cool. So that's it, guys. This application it's free. You can use it. You can grab the code and use for commercial applications. In case you have any issues, don't hesitate to contact us on Discord. So you can find more information here on the product page. We are almost whole time available on Discord. So just grab the code and build something amazing. See you on the next video. Bye, guys.